Okay, so why has the Earth got two magnetic fields? A magnet has a north and south pole. So this is a bar magnet. So the red side would be north, the blue side would be south, and we can see the field lines. They flow from north to south. If you were to bring a compass beside this bar magnet, the needle would twitch and point towards the north pole of this magnet because the compass would feel the magnetic field around this compass. The Earth is also like a giant bar magnet. The compass, if you have a compass, it will point towards the north, which is geographically in the Arctic. South Pole is in the Antarctic. To understand this, we need to understand that the Earth is made up of many different layers. The top layer is the crust. This is very thin. These layers are not to scale. This is a very thin layer which we stand on. It's the hard rock on which our world is built. Under the hard crust is the mantle. This is thick and it's made of molten rock. Then we have the inner and outer core. The inner core is a ball of solid iron and the outer core is liquid iron. And it's this layer here, the molten iron, the outer core, which generates the Earth's magnetic field. And because this is a liquid layer, it's always moving about and churning, a bit like boiling hot jam. It means that the Earth's magnetic field doesn't stay the same all the time. And this gives rise to our two north poles and our two south poles. So we know if we have our compass, it points north. If we were to keep going north, keep walking or take a boat and keep going, we would hit the Arctic Circle. And if we were to keep going south, we would hit Antarctica. So right on the top of the Earth, right on the bottom of Earth, there's these locations which we call the North Pole and the South Pole. They are geographic locations. But I just said that because the magnetic field is made with all this molten iron moving about and it makes this magnetic field around the Earth, it's not stable. Our magnetic field is actually moving. So if you were 100 years old and every day you had taken a compass and pointed it north and recorded how much where that compass pointed, over time you would see your needle on your compass wouldn't point to the same place it did 100 years ago. The North Pole is actually drifting south. So our geographic North Pole is this place here. It never changes. It's just right on the top of the Earth. But where our needle points on our compass actually changes with time. Now sometimes the magnetic field in the Earth actually flips, so north becomes south and south becomes north. And scientists believe that the Earth is actually puckering up to switch the poles around at some point in the near future. So hope that makes sense.